If you cannot type and use a mouse, you can make money as noticeable person. Now I'm talking about physical disability here. I'll give you a list of things later in the video. Let's talk about the important stuff first. I'm tired of seeing your class and helping mentality of relying only on government or parents help if there's any. Don't believe if you are planning. If your disability allows the type you use a mouse and you have internet, yes, you had the things to guess you have it, you have no excuse not to step up and find a way to make money in today's digital age. I'm physically able to, and you have magnitudes of what possible values to. Yes, they help me make money in my business. Some of them are copywriting, graphic design, typing, email marketing, social media marketing. Have in mind that this video wasn't meant to give you all the answers. It's just a stepping stone for further digging. Google the skills others and you will on YouTube invest in some online course about the skill they'll get without attention. Here they are. If you design copyright virtual assistant, nerd nation them acting, search and optimization, email marketing, about WordPress. I have some more. Facebook ads, TikTok ads, description, expert, broadcast editor, translation, customer service, WordPress plus Elementor, English online search. Listen to exploring, it's inevitable. You'll find out many more. Choose one and dive deep. Learn not more importantly like this. Also, give yourself permission to be a beginner. Learn, grow, fail, practice, play with it and have fun. Also, I am grateful for everything I do. From my business to working business. Just don't in mind, go explore. And let me know in the comments your crowd that your attention. Also, I'd like to hear how it's going for you after a while, so feel free to email me or PM me on social media. Here, lovely people, I'm Z, and the description this video. If meant to support materially, if you're just liking this video, so more people can see it, and if you want to go a little deeper, leave a comment below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.